not gonna make it! We made it! Hey, congratulations everyone. You, me, we all made it to the end of this year, and whether it was prosperous, costly, or just plain fun, I'd say that deserves a drink to toast to the end of this year and on to the next one. And we've got just the thing. This recipe comes to us from the amazing Shanna Schad, who we actually featured last year with her still incredible recipe, the Melikilikimaka Mai Tai. You can check out the episode with that recipe right here. This champagne tiki cocktail is no exception. With the addition of gold rum, lychee, she refers to it as a gold rum lychee champagne cocktail, or more affectionately referred to as a New Year's Golden Tiki cocktail. It includes pineapple, cinnamon syrup, lychee juice, tiki bitters, an orange liqueur, champagne, and a gold rum. And for some extra pizzazz, you could try to get some gold sugar or sprinkles to rim the glass with, and also a lychee for skewering. All right, let's kick this bad boy off. Let's add a ½ ounce of pineapple, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon syrup. As usual, check out our Nui episode on how to make that at home. 1 ounce of lychee juice, a ½ ounce of orange liqueur. We're using Pierre Ferrand, but you can also use Cointreau or even Grand Marnier in a pinch. And now for the big base, the gold rum. 3 ounces.
Yes, 3 ounces.
Of gold rum. She uses Koloa Hawaiian Gold Rum. In our case, we're going to use Bacardi Ocho. It should work very similarly. Finally, we're going to add 3 dashes of Elemacule Tiki bitters. You can also use angostura bitters for this. Shanna Schad prefers Tiki bitters. All right, let's pour this into our shaker. We're going to shake this with some ice to incorporate, agitate, and chill the drink for about 10 to 15 seconds. Also just sounds cool. Nice. Now we've got our coupe glass, which we've had chilling, and we have the gold sprinkles rimmed around the edge. Let's strain this into that. Big drink. I'm actually going to leave a little bit of space to put the Prosecco in there. Now for the fun part. Let's bust out the Prosecco. Just like New Year's. Woo! Oh, huzzah! Happy New Year! All right, let's top that off with the Prosecco. Add the lychee nut. And there it is. New Year's Golden Tiki cocktail. Let's give this beast a try. Wow, this is a very unique New Year's cocktail. You get that champagne right up front. I would say that the lychee definitely complements it in terms of a similar flavor profile. You get a little bit of the gold rum under there, tiny bit of the tiki bitters, but it all sort of comes together for a really unique New Year's cocktail. Well, that's our show. Thanks for watching. If you like this episode, please give us a like, and also let us know in the comments if you make this cocktail and what you think of it. Also, a big thanks to Shanna Schad once again for providing the great recipe for this show. Check out her other stuff over at pineappleandcoconut.com. We'll see you in the new year, and cheers. Accessible to all you New Year's partiers out there. I'm not gonna put this in the show. Oh, that's the last of the Bacardi 8. Here we go. Let's see if I don't bust the lights. Oh my God. Happy New Year. Holy I'll be okay. Oh my God. It is seriously in there. All right. Go. Prosecco. Oh. Woo. Oh. Huzzah!